Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the 1980p Washington quarter, and a special error that could turn a simple coin into a collector's prize. The 1980p quarter was minted in Philadelphia, and while most of them are common, there are some rare error coins you need to watch out for. One of the most notable errors on this coin is the off-center strike, where the design isn't perfectly aligned. Depending on how far off-center the coin is, the value can range from $50 to even over $200 if the date is still visible. Another popular error is the double die obverse, especially visible on Liberty or In God We Trust. These doubling effects happen during the minting process and are highly sought after by collectors, some selling for $100 or more in top condition. And don't forget to check for clip planchets or die cracks, which can also increase the value significantly depending on how dramatic the error is. So next time you come across a 1980p Washington quarter, take a closer look. You might be holding a hidden gem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your coin-loving friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.